Hello guys, accounting made simple. Are you struggling to understand accounting? Is IFRS confusing you? Is Excel not adding up? You are not alone. Welcome to Accounting Made Simple. If accounting has ever confused you, you are in the right place. Who is this channel for? This channel is for accounting students, audit trainees, business owner, and anyone who want to understand accounting, not just memorize it. What will you learn? Here, I explain accounting, IFRS, audit concepts, and Excel in a clear and practical way. I will also use original examples, real-life explanations, and step-by-step screen recordings to make complex topics simple. What makes this channel different? There is no copy content, no complicated jargon. Everything you see here is created and explained by me, which will be based on real accounting knowledge and practical experience. If you want practical accounting explained, simply subscribe and turn on notifications. Every week, I bring you new videos. Thank you.